Welcome to Golden Wealth Channel, the place where self-made billionaires come to get secret codes for wealth creation and personal advancement. Every Monday as you begin your week, we give you wisdom codes that enables you to begin your week with the end in mind. With that being said, let's get straight into today's video. Blockchain is a super technology, in the sense that it is here to save the day. Here are 5 ways how. The possibility of blockchain innovation was first depicted in 1991 by Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta, who acquainted a simple PC arrangement with time-stamp computerized archives to stay away from them being altered. Quick forward to 2008, blockchain as far as we might be concerned is developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, filling in as a public exchange record of Bitcoin. Fam. Insufficient can be said about the benefits that blockchain can bring to the world, and we must be particular in picking only 5 to impact to you. Welcome to Golden Wealth Channel, the place where self-made billionaires come to get secret codes for wealth creation and personal success. In case you're not bought in yet, you're passing up a major opportunity. Blockchain may turn into an innovation that the world later on will depend on. A particularly subject ought to be perceived with visuals, and here they are. With that anticipated, we should get once more into the video. Number 1, cash is safe and secure. We as a whole need to keep our cash free from any danger, and blockchain gives simply that. Banking would be quicker, cost less, would have 100% exact record keeping, or more, all would be undeniably safer. Blockchain doesn't simply profit us, yet the banks as well. Effectively, 90% of banks are investigating blockchain arrangements, as they would have up to 30% decreases in framework costs and could work on a 10% headcount decrease, as indicated by ByteDataMadeSimple.com. The excellence is that exchanges are straightforward. There is less human intercession, which means less blunders, if any whatsoever, and is an incredible financial other option. Particularly for individuals in temperamental or lacking nations. What's more, the individuals who are working abroad who need to send cash home, can do as such immediately, rather than trusting that cash will clear when it's required rapidly. Number 2, demonstrating your identity. Blockchain can obviously help us in demonstrating our character in the online world, in light of the fact that, as you're mindful, it's online that individuals are great at accepting another person's personality. Yet, it runs much more profound than that. Did you realize that around 1.1 billion individuals all throughout the planet can't demonstrate that they are who they say they are? There are numerous reasons that could prompt this, similar to no proper enlistment upon entering the world, lost archives because of cataclysmic event, or insufficient cash to document the birth enrollment structures. How do those without a character get into schools? Get a new line of work? Open a ledger? It's for all intents and purposes unthinkable. And that is the place where blockchain comes in. 60% individuals who don't have an authority character, have a telephone. In this way, a blockchain-based versatile personality arrangement would function admirably. Estonia has been utilizing blockchain since 2007 for their public computerized character plot. It requires no administrative work and just advanced marks, and has demonstrated to be a cross-country achievement. Number 3, possession titles. Demonstrating that you're the proprietor of a thing, with no confirmation of procurement, can be somewhat precarious. Or then again, in the event that you've had your Gucci tote taken and you spot in the paws of somebody at the club, and you know it's yours for reality, how might you genuinely demonstrate it? Blockchain is here to help. By recording your things or exchanges on blockchain can demonstrate without a sorry excuse for an uncertainty, the thing being referred to is yours. On account of very good quality things like work of art, it's an extraordinary method to demonstrate that the piece has been passed on or purchased genuinely, and that it hasn't been taken and exchanged anytime in the fine arts life. Blockchain is the most secure and most dependable approach to follow resources for confirmation of proprietorship. In the shoe market, Everledger are taking a gander at utilizing blockchain to monitor tennis shoes. The savvy labeling framework would archive the subtleties of every shoe so clients would realize that the tennis shoes they are purchasing are real LeBron James tennis shoes, for instance, and not fakes. Number 4, IC operating system, a new way to raise money without going public. ICO, or beginning coin contributions, is an interesting way that permits organizations to fundraise without opening up to the world on the stock trade, utilizing blockchain. ICOs are typically saved for organizations in the crypto business, and you do have to have advanced cash and a comprehension of how crypto functions. How beginning up fundraises through an ICO is right off the bat, giving a white paper the subtleties of the organization. It will express the measure of cash required, how much the organizers will keep, the kind of cash acknowledged, and how long the ICO lobby will run, similar as a Kickstarter crusade. While the mission is running, any individual who cherishes the thought and needs to back it, can do as such. They can pay in fiat or computerized cash. On the off chance that the mission doesn't raise the necessary sum, the ICO is ineffective. On the off chance that the necessary subsidizing is raised, the undertaking can go on. Number 5, charge an electric car. In 2016, German service organization, RWE, were quick to introduce blockchain-controlled charging stations. Furthermore, therefore, a portion of the world's biggest car producers have inclined towards creating blockchain-based motivating force and information organizations. Mobi, for instance, are utilizing blockchain innovation to make transportation greener, more reasonable, and more productive. Carrying it nearer to home, on the off chance that you have an electric charging station at home, you could utilize blockchain innovation and make your chargers accessible to other people. A simple method to produce some additional pay. Blockchain will help the proprietor track what the driver owes him and afterward will do the installment carefully.